What's up guys, Boptic Cyrus here, and today I'm going to show you how to have redeemable chat commands that will play sound alerts on your stream. So the first website you want to go to is myinstance.com, and I'll put the link in the description below. And the first page it will take you to is this one here, and then obviously you've got your search bar, you can search, you've got categories where you could choose, it's got your sound alerts in different categories. I know what sound I want, so I'm going to type in LOL. And then it comes up here. As you can see, you've got your different buttons. If you click them, they're going to play the sound effects. So you've got like your Z laugh. There you go. So I'm going to just throw out a quick PSA that some of these are not what they say they are, and they are trolling. So be wary of that, and also some of them are extremely loud. So once you've found the sound that you want, just click on the title of it down below, and then it will take you to this page here. As you can see, you've got your button again, and then you just want to click download MP3. That will download it. I always get it to show in my folder, and I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to paste it into my folder that I've got for all my sound alerts. And I'm just going to rename it so I know what it is. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to go to StreamElements.com. And if you haven't used this before, you just log in with your Twitch. And in the first page, it will take you to your dashboard. And on the right hand side, you've got buttons to add the bot to your stream and to mod it. You need to make sure it's modded, otherwise this isn't going to work. And then a little bit further down, you've got My Overlays. So just click that, and then it'll come to this page here. This will be empty for you, but we'll soon fix that by clicking this, create blank overlay. So we're going to call this one sound effects, and we're going to name it sounds, and then click submit. As you can see, it pops up here, and you just want to click go to overlay editor. And then once that loads up, you'll see you've got your overlay URL. So just click on that link and it will copy it to clipboard. And then you want to click widgets. And then over here, you've got store redemptions. You want to add that. And then it'll take you to this page here. And as you can see, the store redemptions widget is now added onto the overlay. So you want to delete the image and clear the sound. Click save. You see it says on the right hand side down here, saved. And then exit. Once you've done that, you then want to go down to StreamStore, and this is where you upload the sounds that you want on your stream. So I'm just going to delete this one, and we're going to click create new item. And because it's a sound effect, you want to make sure you click sound effects. So item name, we'll call it troll. Description, play troll. Global cooldown. This is where you put in seconds how long of a cooldown you want, so it cannot be spammed in your chat. I usually have it at about 2 minutes. User cooldown I leave at 10 seconds because it's got a 2-minute global cooldown. Item cost. If you're using a loyalty point system, this is where you put in the cost for that item. But for me, because they're free, I have it at 0. And item quantity, because it's a chat command that plays a sound alert, I have it at -1 because it's unlimited. Click next. Item content. No preview image. Upload sound. Again, this bit will be blank. Click upload. Select file. And then go to wherever you've saved your sound alert. Find it. Open. That will then put it in. Find it. And then click submit. That will then put it in. You can then change the volume to be all the way up, all the way down. You can do whatever you want with it. Redeemable via chat. Have that ticked. If it's a sub perk, you want to click this button here. So it's subscriber only. Item command will be the name of it. So we'll call it troll. Next. Requirements. Don't need any, so just click save. And then that, as you can see, that's there. And we'll just play it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, that might be a bit long actually. And then you've got your bot. So you want to go to chat commands, and this might be empty for you, it might not. So you want to click new command, and then command templates, you don't need one, and then command. So this is where you're going to put in the actual command for the sound alert. So that will be redeem, no space, and the name of your sound alert. User level, again, make sure you have it. If it's a sub only perk, have it as sub. I'll have it as everyone. And then response. This will be $, open bracket, redeem, space, troll, close bracket. Exactly like that. Show advanced. Command cost, leave empty if it's free. Enable command when stream is online, offline, or both. I have it set to both, so I can make sure on my Streamlabs it works. User cooldown, again, have it exactly the same as what you set it to on the last step, and global cooldown 120. Keywords, I usually uppercase it and lowercase it. Press enter after you type it, otherwise it's just going to be in one word. And an alias, this is where I type in exclamation mark troll, lowercase, exclamation mark troll, uppercase. This means that chat will only have to type in exclamation mark and the sound of your, and the name of your sound effect to then activate it via chat. And then click submit. And then you see it goes up there. So next thing you want to do is you want to go to your streaming software. For me, it's Streamlabs. And then you want to add a new source. Maybe a browser source, add it. I will add a new source just for the tutorial. So call it whatever you want, add new source. And then you copy in the URL that we copied from the overlay. Press done. And then all you do is just check chat, type in a command. And that's it. So you would then, if you want to do it for multiple sounds, you don't have to do the first step of the overlay. You literally just go to StreamStore, put it all in, go to the commands, make the commands. And that is literally it. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope it helps. By Optic Cyrus, signing off.